Turning long videos into viral shorts used to take hours of editing, but not anymore. FlexClip has just introduced its new AI long-to-short video converter, a feature that automatically analyzes your video, identifies the most engaging moments, and transforms them into ready-to-share short clips in minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how it works, how accurate the AI is at finding the best highlights, and how you can use it to create content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels with almost no manual editing. Let's get started.
Okay, everyone. So let me talk to you about this new feature. FlexClip. They've got a new feature here. This one is a long video to short video. Now, as you can see here, is new. Listen, this is the best way for you to grow in YouTube. You still have your video, your long video. Those long video, you can take those long video and come here and change them into short. So this one is going to create short for you. It's going to take your long video and it's going to cut into shorts. Those shorts, they are going to analyze which short you go potential to go viral. Did you hear that? Which short you go potential to go viral. So they're going to take your long video, they're going to analyze that video, and then they're going to cut into shorts, and they're going to give you, they're going to tell you which one you recommend for you to post in your channel. So this, guys, this is the best things ever. This is the best things for you as a creator, for you to grow, because if we use this, the same video, you can use the same video, you can create short, you can upload the short in YouTube, you can upload the same short in TikTok, the same short you can upload in Instagram. So your job is to create a video only once and come here and put this your long video here, and they're going to create everything for you. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very simple and straightforward. So now this is the place we're coming here, long to short. First of all, so this is the one here. We click this one, long to short video. Now this is going to pop up here. Okay, so here there's a two way you can do this. You can upload file, you can upload your video you have, or if your video is already in YouTube, you can go in YouTube and copy the link for your video and come and paste here. That's what I'm going to do. I already copied my link of the video, so I come here, I right click and paste my link here for the video, my long video I want to convert into short video. So let's give a few minutes and you see what is going to come up with. Okay guys, so now this is a video. This is my video. It's one of my video in YouTube, my YouTube channel. So this is the video. Now when you come here, language, you put English. Duration, you can change duration if you want. I like to do auto instead, or you can do less than 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. Now all this is up to you, but I prefer to leave like the way it is so they can analyze the video for me. Okay, here the aspect ratio, you can choose if you want short, if you want long video, is up to you, but I prefer short here. Okay, so once you finish here, come here to subtitle. You can choose the go lot of the style here. See this, they go all this style you can choose from, whichever you want, depending on your channel style. So here, let me see, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, once you finish here, everything is done. You can here, you say capture specific moment. So if you have any specific moment, you see at the moment, people and keywords you want to keep. So it's up to you. Can write here, you can type, like let's say I want to say I want to capture where they say $3,000 or that's all. This is up to you, but me, I just leave like the way it is. I want this AI, it can analyze my video properly and it can choose which short they can cut for me, and I can have potential for those shorts to go viral, or potential for those shorts to have a lot of viewing. Okay, so once you finish there, click come here, generate. Once you finish that, it's going to generate. Give time for AI to start to generate your video, and then once you finish, I'll show you how they look like. Okay guys, so now the video is done. Wow, so it give us how many, let's see how many shot. Give us 6 shot here. So we have 6 shot here. Okay, so we go 6 shot here. Now, like I told you, like the way I said before, that this is job is to, you give you a long form video, they go to analyze and cut your video into shorts, and they're going to tell you which one is going to be the best short for you to upload in terms of viewing. So if you can come, if you can see here, short number 1 here, right? This is short number 1, you see, and this they even give you this is the title. You can use the same, you can use this title for your short video. Okay, so this one, it gives us a score. It gives a score of 88% out of 100. Okay, and it gives how many stars? It gives 4 stars. So this is more, this is high potential. This short is high potential, so you can use this short to upload in your channel. The second one here is the same, 85 out of 100 is high potential. Okay, and even they put even what is included in this short, you can see here. Okay, and another one here, this is the third short, which they give 3 star, and it's 67. So this one you need optimization, you need to change. You can add some stuff, you can change some stuff. This is now this one, this kind of a short, you can take this one, you can take this one to CapCut and edit if you want to, but for me, the best thing is to go with the way the AI analyze your video. The best one, this one is the best one. So you can take this one. You can take like the way it is and go and upload your channel. Look, guys, the quality is amazing. You see? Right? You see, it's very nice. I'll show you. We play one short as well once I download. Right, so you can see here we go this one. This is short number 4. They give us title as well, and this one is score 66, which goes 3 star. There's another one here, 65, 3 star. And you can come here, the last one, which is 6, they give 50 out of 100, and they even tell you not to recommend. So you don't need to upload this one. They even tell you not to recommend. So for me, the best thing I usually do, I take the first 2 here, right, this one and this one. So you can use these 2 short to go to upload in your YouTube channel, or you can, you see, once you upload this on your YouTube channel, you can connect with your big video. As we all know, people, they watch a lot of shorts in YouTube. So if you connect this short with your big video, they're more like to watch the big video. So you can, your big video, your long form video is going to have more viewing because of the short. People are going to watch the short video, and then you direct them to the long form video. This is the purpose of this reel. You try this and you see you're going to grow so quick. Your channel will grow so quick. Try this way. Okay, so once you finish this is a video. Once you finish this, come here. We come here to download. So if you click download here, it's going to start to download your video, and this video is going to be ready for you to use in your computer. You can upload like the way it is. You can take this like the way it is, the video, and upload in your channel, or TikTok or Instagram, or you can go back to CapCut and edit the video. Usually what I do, I take this video to this short to CapCut, and then I go to add a title. Like at the end of the video, I'm going to add a title to tell people click the link below to watch full tutorial. So this, by the end of the video, when they get to the end of the short, they're going to see that message. So it's easy for the viewer to go and click that video and go and watch your long form video, right? So this is our short is ready now. It's 100%. Zero download. You can see here. So this short will be ready for you to upload in your channel. Okay guys, this is one of the short we just finished to create with our FlexClip AI. The long form video which we create to short. This is one of the short here. Now let me play and you're going to see how it look like. Now first thing I want to mention, look the background. You look so very nice. You look so professional. Look this late talk, you know, the title, subtitle. You look very nice. So let me play and then you can see how it look like.
Songs to platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Every stream earns you money. Method 3, sell your music, or even sell custom worship songs on Fiverr. People will literally pay you to create songs like this. We're living in a time where you don't need talent to start. You just need the right tools and the right idea. And while most people are still overthinking, others are quietly building income streams with AI.
Okay, so this is how it look like. It's very nice, look professional. This guys, this is very easy, very simple. So you create only one video and you bring your video to FlexClip. They cut this video in short. You can upload in multiple platforms, and the more you put the video in multiple platforms, the more exposure you have, and that's how you grow. So thank you for watching. If you are new, please subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. My name is Mivumbi. Until next time, take care. Bye.